Oh no, hold on. She's want this one, this one?
It's okay.
Let's do this one. Will not stop until we get it. Not going to stop until you get it. All right, Dom, thank you. Oh my God, it's all ladies like, Nancy, do it. Oh, this sword looks better. So ton of fun. Is that good like that?
Yeah. Actually, that looks better. Size gotta say no.
Huh?
Yeah,
Skylar, no. Okay, Skylar. We could leave the other ones alone. I have to practice this. Bear with me, Skylar. You will love it. I promise. All right. Thank you, Brazil. Brazil is Bellis Nails. It's also one of our brand ambassador. We are going to announce more brand ambassadors come into our team as well. So stay tuned. I love this brush. It just give me a lot of opportunity and like ability to doors really precise. Just
Right? People like it. And Unique Creation, we are located in Florida.
all right, not bad, huh? If it's too bad, then we'll take it off. But and then I was sugaring on it. All right, white or oh, the salt had to be white. Oh, so then we're gonna do a white one. Yeah. Ready? I need a white one.
No more yellow?
I can do two colors, you know. I can do yellows and white. Did you put the white away? I just saw it over there. Where the white one? Oh, right here. I'm sorry. I got the white one. Couple.
Try.
Yes.
I would say take out the bottom sword, just do it on.
The line. That's it. Never mind, Ezzy. But you like the line better?
The top line looks nice.
All right. See how easy it is? Just using the alcohol and wipe it off. Yellow. I can do yellow and like. All right, looks good. Okay, yellow or white. I can do both.
One yellow, one white.
No, I can do ombre. Can you get me a little scoop right here?
You got it? You got a scoop?
He's not a good helper. He's like standing next to me like he's playing instead of he helping me. All right, where I'm at, I'm right here. Okay, hold on. Facebook and Instagram, sorry.
Got it.
Can you put me another, can you help me with another tray?
Empty tray. Yeah, we're not empty trays.
Sorry, I have so many tray here, but this is a great challenge from Dom. Hey, I did it. Take a Lily. Move the white. I'm going to use yellow. So I use 2 separate trays because they are not going to contaminate together. All right, so do not dust off anything yet. We're just going to cure it. For 60 seconds. This one, put it back, put in my jars. And then put this one back in the jars. Lids on. Spoon come on this with this. Skylar, spoon come on the tray. On the tray, you have 2 trays and scoop combo. You have 2 tray and 1 of the scoop. I'm gonna wait until it dry for just like seconds, and then I will show you. Is that looks better? See, so you see me on stream with practice with one of our awesome brand ambassador, Dom. I'm learning it all the time. So I'm gonna move this one, and I have 2 of these cuties, which is the Nancy corns. I saw Lori has her Lori corns, and what's the onyx one? One of the really great things about it dust off really easy. And it's not like stained on yours bristle right here, and also it does off really well. Let me show you the final look. And you're not going to top coat. You want to feel the textures. Feel like, oh, it's not bad at all, huh? Don't you think? Just thumbs up to motivate me for just 1 thumbs up. Tracy.